What is it, Amanda?
This is fried butter.
Fried butter?
Yeah.
Okay, first time. Is there butter inside? Really? Melted butter?
Try it, Carmen.
Try it, Carmen. Try one. I know. Who else is gonna try it?
Try it, Carmen.
I just want to take one little bite. I don't want to eat the whole thing.
One little bite, little bite. What is that?
Is it like filled with butter?
What is it?
Is it like a filling or what?
Wow, it's
It's squirted. It's squirted.
It's squirted.
oh yeah, it's full of butter inside, guys. It's full of butter inside.
Yeah, the guy actually told us.
What is it?
The guy actually told us you gotta like put it.
Shove the whole thing in your mouth?
Put it all in your mouth. You didn't warn your mom. No.
Why don't you tell your mom then?
You gotta poke it with a straw and suck the butter out.
Butterball market, have some.
It is a butter ball. Oh my goodness, there's butter in
Didn't I
there.
just eat it?
Shove the whole thing in your mouth.
That thing's like giving me indigestion.
No,
Shove it in your
I
mouth.
asked you 1,000 times.
I didn't hear you because like I was looking.
Look,
There is a butterball in there.
Yeah.
Come out.
Oh, it's extra piece of butter in there.
Linda, scoop this way.
Nice. Sorry.
Don't stop believing you're gonna eat all that butter.
That's the hardest
No,
thing
Marky.
to happen. Yeah.
What did you want?
Take one.
Not bad.
no, it doesn't taste bad, but that's a
Eat some, please. I'm not gonna eat this.
Marky, you want it?
Wow, that's so fattening.
Yeah.
There's a butter ball in there. It's a ball of butter.
He's like, you gotta eat it cold. You can't take it away. He said like sometimes it splits out like the butter or something.
What his cheese too?